Hey, welcome again. Welcome once again to Cooking Around's channel. Here we go again with another fish dish. What is it? Halibut with parsley sauce. Smooth, delicate, and awesome. Take a look at this dish. And the fish is tender. Halibut fish is very sweet, very soft, and very delicate. So you have to try it. Just take a look at this. It's easy to cut, and with this sauce, which is a creamy sauce because I put cream in there, it makes it even more tasty. Now, doesn't this look really great? Don't you really want to make this for your family and friends? Just think of all the praise you will get. So let me show you how to put this together. It is really easy. And here we go. I have about 1.5 pounds of halibut, and I have the skin on one side, which when you are cooking it makes it more moist. Now I'm sprinkling it with white pepper and cayenne pepper, and this is going to give it a good season, which is a direct contact to the fish. Here I like to use a Teflon pan, but I'm adding a little bit of olive oil, about 2 tablespoons. I like to do it this way because it gives it a better flavor to the fish. Now grab your portions. Make sure your pot is hot. You're on medium high right now, and just drop your portions like this. Just move it around a little bit just to get that oil under that skin. And now bring your heat down to medium. Make sure the skin side is down, and we're going to cover it, and we're going to let it go for about 5 to 6 minutes, or until the bottom part of the skin is crisp. So it's been about 5 minutes. Let's take a look. And I did cheat a little bit. I did look under and see if the skin was crisp. So at this point I'm flipping them over, and I'm going to give it about another 4 to 5 minutes on this side. And here it depends on you. Do you want the fish a little bit more dark on top or a little bit less? Now cover the fish, turn off the heat, and let it go for another 5 minutes. And guess what? It is now ready to serve. Now here comes the sauce. Grab a smaller saucepan, and I'm putting about 5 tablespoons of butter, and I'm going to move that around, wait for it to melt. I put in just a dash of salt, and now I'm stirring, and now I'm adding the cream, about half a cup of cream, and it depends, is it light cream or is it heavy cream, so you're going to have to experiment with it. Now add about a squirt or 2 of lemon, and if you hold it in your hands like this, the seeds will not go into your dish. Now still on medium heat, keep on stirring, and when you start to see it break up like this and you can start to see the bottom, you know it is ready. And now grab about say about half a cup of chopped parsley, or your favorite parsley, and just mix it into the dish like this. And I would advise you that you pour this over the fish and serve it immediately. So I hope you enjoy this recipe. I hope you try it. I hope you subscribe and give me some comments. So all I can say now is thank you very much from Tony and Cooking Around, and please enjoy.